Here, the student is seen gripping the cane with the index finger flat against the grip of the cane, the thumb on top, and the fingers wrapped underneath. Here, we have an LSVI student, Jason, with a light blue polo on and khaki pants, with his long cane in his right hand. He will be first demonstrating constant contact, where the cane moves from left to right in a sweeping motion, never passing the shoulders. Next, the student will be demonstrating shorelining. He will use his right shoreline, so his cane is going to switch to his left hand. He will be first using the lockers as a shoreline and then moving to the walls. We have now transitioned outside so that the student can demonstrate two-point touch. This is typically used in areas that do not have smooth surfaces, such as grass, rocky, or graveled areas. Here, rather than keeping the cane tip on the ground, the student will tap their cane from a left to right, never surpassing the shoulders, keeping that cane tip low to the ground.